guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribe. So today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Slumber Party Yasmin. Can you guys see? Oops, let me take these off. Can you guys see? Yes, you can. So we're gonna do an unboxing of her. And we're gonna be ranting as well. So we're gonna get into some things. Let's just start it right now. So let's just go ahead. So I love this doll. And I'm so excited to open it. I really am. I just wanted to say that. I was so excited to open it. But let's just start to open it, unbox her, and get into some of these questions. But yeah. Overall, I said this in the other Chloe, I love the packaging of this doll. I just think like it's just so much, which I love. I love when things are so much because look at me. And I love that with this doll, it's like you don't want to take it out the box. Like I wish to get another one of her. And that's another thing I want to say. Please, Bratz, MGA, can y'all please do more restocks? Like you don't have to restock them everywhere, but like at least restock them on Amazon. Release this one place, please, because it's kind of. I want more. Like I feel like one is just not enough. Like I want more. So yeah, and I know that a lot of people aren't really buying dolls like they used to, but yeah, these went pretty fast to me because as soon as I was about to buy them, they were gone off the shelves. So yeah, but we also want to talk about pull it up. Let's just talk about it right now. Let's talk about how Bratz team needs to be fired. Now, if y'all put me on the PR list, then you shouldn't be fired. But a lot of you guys that's on the Bratz team needs to be fired. So I saw they recent collab with this brand, and the dolls looked amazing. I deleted my comment, but I was like, oh my gosh, I wish to have dolls like this. Then I went to Twitter, and people were saying, oh no, they stole this art. I'm like, oh my gosh, not again. Bratz, like, are you kidding me? Bratz is just too of a household name for y'all to be stealing from artists who make this stuff. Y'all are too much of a household name to be doing that. That's just me. And I just feel like, what's his name? Isaac, you need to really, and you have a daughter. Yeah. Does she has a designer called Gaia? Like, y'all guys need to get on this. Like, y'all really do. And because it's just like, this is like the second time this happened. And it's just like, actually it's way more been happening. But like, y'all gotta stop this. It's just like, just because people use these dolls as a canvas to make their art, that don't mean that you own this art. And you need to stop thinking that you own it art. You don't own it. Just because it's the doll, that don't mean anything. These people deserve to get paid for that, you know, if you're gonna steal their art. And I could tell that within the remake of it, they try to switch it up. But you could have just put in the comments, inspired by this the person who made it. You know you saw it on it. You know they was on your mood board. You know? So yeah, I just feel like the Bratz team just needs to be fired. They need to have a whole new team. Cause if this keeps happening, people are not gonna buy these dolls. So yeah. And I just talked about everything. Yeah, cause you don't want to keep facing lawsuits. You get what I'm saying? MGA, you just don't. Because I would be upset if I created a doll, I repainted a doll, and they just, you know, stole my whole thing. You know, I would be mad. So, yeah. I'm gonna open this. I gotta, ooh. I love this packaging, though. Like this, ooh, almost dropped her. This right here, I love. I love this. I'm gonna cut it. I love to keep these. But yeah. Bratz, I always say this, but Bratz, just, please just, at this point, just fire everybody. I love Bratz too much. I really do. There's no like doll, like look at this. Like look at this. There's no doll line like this, you know? It's just like, if you care about the core, if you care about these dolls, you will stop doing that. That's true. Oh, if I didn't get this out. It's a lot of tape. Is her hair, is it soft? Kind of. I love the quality of the clothes. I always say this, but I love the quality. Can you guys see her? But I love the quality. Is she showing up blurry? Excuse me. Why is she showing up blurry? Hold on. I think she's showing up blurry. Why she kind of look like Dora? I can't. There it go. Oh, she's showing up blurry. But yeah, she's so pretty. Like, look at that. She's probably the favorite one from this collection. I gotta get 2 more. I gotta get the Megan and the Jade. But she's like by far my favorite one. I love her face. I love it. That's why I want to get more. I think they still got more online. I don't know if I got the last one. But I love this one. Jay, don't be mad at me. But if you like me, y'all, send me PR of all of them. Okay? Because I love these dolls. But it's just... take this, it's not criticism, but like, you know, it's just, I love you guys so much. Like, I like dolls. Like, you guys are helping me, like I always say, helping me heal my inner child. So it's just like, you know, yeah. All right, let me take her out. All right, you guys, I'm gonna take her out. Oh. I don't know, I wanna get her hair stuck. Okay, she's out. Actually, she's pretty easy. Once you get so many dolls, you get used to it. But here she go. There you go, camera. That's what I'm talking about. She's so freaking pretty. I don't want to change her. I don't know what. Oh yeah, it's kind of hard to take them out of this robe. I try to get my Chloe out of her robe, but I think it's like something like stuck to them. I don't know, but I'm gonna have to try it out. I think the knot is maybe too knot. But yeah, here she go. She's so pretty though. I really don't like changing them anyway though. I want to, but I just feel like these dolls, they're like a collector. I don't want to keep like, I don't know. We'll see. I might change it because I be lying. Here go her clothes. So let's see. And then this big thing, I like this. Here this go. Oh, she comes with like with a little wand. I love this, like this little Bratz toothpaste. Did they used to sell stuff like that back in 2000s? I don't know, but I love this. If they ever do though, I'll buy it, girl. I love this little Bratz toothpaste and the little toothbrush. I don't know what this is. I think this is her loofah or her towel. I think this is a towel. I wish it would say what it is. I don't know what that is right there. Leave it in the comments down below. But yeah, you guys, I just unboxed my slumber party, Yasmin. I gotta clean this stuff up. But she's just so pretty. Like, the green stands out so much, and I love it. I don't think I'm gonna change her. I don't think so. That's why I think I'm gonna give me another one. I'm gonna give me another one. Look at her hair. Love it. But new baby added. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and go buy a doll or two. Go to your nearest store where you buy them. All right. See how the outfit match? See that? See that? All right. Bye, y'all.
Right straight out. Look in.
Look in. One quick question.